Hello, you guys. Wanted to post up a sad video. I got rid of all the other goldfish, and I just stuck with my blood parrots and one goldfish and one butterfly koi. Sorry, my glass is a little bit dirty. There's the spotted pleco. There's the regular pleco. There's the clown pleco. See if you can see it from the top. There's the albino. And there should be another regular pleco, but who knows where it is right now. Oh, there it is. Well, this is what came of my 55-gallon tank. I'm running 2 filters, a 20-gallon inside filter. I'm running 2 hoses for the air. I'm running 1 heater. I have that one backup. And I'm running the other 60-gallon Coffin 60. Have a bare bottom.